For thousands of years, humans have turned to plants for comfort, recovery, and restoration. Long before modern pharmaceuticals existed, leaves, roots, flowers, and bark were trusted allies in easing pain, soothing inflammation, and supporting the body's natural healing processes. While no plant can magically cure every ailment, many well-known and renowned medicinal plants are celebrated for how quickly they can bring relief and promote balance when used correctly. From ancient Ayurvedic texts to traditional Chinese medicine and indigenous healing systems, these plants have earned global respect for their therapeutic value. Here are 20 of the most famous healing plants, valued for their fast-acting and supportive effects on the body and mind. Number 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is one of the most universally recognized healing plants. Its thick, gel-filled leaves contain compounds that soothe burns, cuts, and skin irritation almost immediately. Aloe is also known for its cooling effect, which can calm inflammation and redness. Internally, aloe juice has been used to support digestion and gut health, though it must be used carefully and in proper form. Number 2. Turmeric. Turmeric's golden yellow root has been revered in Ayurveda for over 4,000 years. Its active compound, curcumin, is widely known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric is often used to ease joint pain, support immune function, and promote faster recovery from physical stress. When combined with black pepper, its absorption and effectiveness increase significantly. Number 3. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful and fast-acting plant known for calming nausea, improving digestion, and reducing inflammation. It has been traditionally used to ease stomach discomfort, colds, and sore throats. Ginger's warming nature helps stimulate circulation, which can make the body feel revitalized and comforted shortly after consumption. Number 4. Chamomile. Chamomile is famous for its gentle yet effective calming properties. Often consumed as a tea, it helps relax the nervous system, reduce stress, and promote better sleep. Chamomile also supports digestion and can soothe stomach cramps. Its mild anti-inflammatory properties make it useful for skin irritation when applied topically. Number 5. Peppermint. Peppermint is widely known for its refreshing aroma and quick soothing effect on the digestive system. It can help relieve bloating, gas, and mild headaches. Peppermint oil, when inhaled or applied correctly, provides a cooling sensation that helps relax muscles and improve mental clarity. Number 6. Lavender. Lavender is renowned for its ability to calm both the mind and body. Its scent is often used to reduce anxiety, promote relaxation, and improve sleep quality. Lavender also has mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it useful for minor cuts, burns, and insect bites. Number 7. Echinacea. Echinacea is best known for its immune-supporting properties. Traditionally used by Native American tribes, it is often taken at the first sign of illness. Echinacea may help the body respond more efficiently to infections and support faster recovery, especially during seasonal changes. Number 8. Garlic. Garlic is both a culinary staple and a powerful medicinal plant. Rich in sulfur compounds, garlic supports immune health and has antimicrobial properties. It has been traditionally used to help the body fight infections and support heart health. Raw or lightly cooked garlic is often considered the most potent. Number 9. Holy basil, tulsi. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is considered sacred in India and valued for its adaptogenic qualities. It helps the body manage stress, supports immune function, and promotes respiratory health. Tulsi is often consumed as a tea and is appreciated for its balancing effect on the mind and body. Number 10. Calendula. Calendula flowers are well known for their skin healing properties. They are often used in creams, oils, and salves to support wound healing, reduce inflammation, and soothe rashes. Calendula also has gentle antimicrobial properties, making it useful for minor skin issues. Number 11. Ginseng. Ginseng has a long history in traditional Chinese medicine as a revitalizing herb. It is known for boosting energy, improving focus, and supporting the body during physical or mental fatigue. Ginseng is often used to enhance resilience and promote overall vitality rather than targeting a single symptom. Number 12. Neem. Neem is a powerful plant widely used in Ayurvedic medicine. It is known for its cleansing and purifying properties, particularly for the skin and blood. Neem leaves and oil are often used to support skin health and protect against microbial imbalances, while neem tea has traditionally supported immune function. Number 13. Rosemary. Rosemary is both a fragrant herb and a medicinal plant with stimulating properties. It is known to improve circulation, enhance memory, and reduce muscle pain. Rosemary oil is commonly used in massage to relieve tension, while rosemary tea supports digestion and mental alertness. Number 14. Sage. Sage has been valued since ancient Roman times for its healing qualities. It is often used to soothe sore throats, support oral health, and improve digestion. Sage is also known for its antimicrobial properties and has been traditionally associated with wisdom and longevity. Number 15. Thyme. Thyme is a small herb with powerful healing potential. It has strong antimicrobial and expectorant properties, making it useful for respiratory support. Thyme tea has been traditionally used to ease coughs and congestion, while thyme oil is valued for its cleansing qualities. Number 16. Dandelion. Often overlooked as a weed, dandelion is a highly nutritious and healing plant. Its leaves, roots, and flowers support liver health, digestion, and detoxification. Dandelion tea is commonly used to promote gentle cleansing and provide a boost of vitamins and minerals. Number 17. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a renowned adaptogenic herb in Ayurvedic medicine. It helps the body cope with stress, supports hormonal balance, and promotes restful sleep. Rather than acting instantly on symptoms, ashwagandha works to restore balance, which many people feel within a short period of regular use. Number 18. Yarrow. Yarrow has a long history of use in traditional European and indigenous medicine. It is known for its ability to support wound healing and reduce inflammation. Yarrow has also been used to support circulation and manage minor discomforts, both internally and externally. Number 19. Licorice root. Licorice root is well known for soothing the digestive and respiratory systems. It has been traditionally used to ease sore throats, coughs, and stomach irritation. Its naturally sweet taste makes it a popular ingredient in herbal blends designed for comfort and balance. Number 20. Tea tree. Tea tree is famous for its powerful antiseptic and antimicrobial properties. Tea tree oil is widely used for skin issues such as acne, minor cuts, and fungal concerns. Its effects are often felt quickly when applied correctly, making it a staple in natural first aid practices. The healing power of plants lies not in magic, but in nature's remarkable chemistry and humanity's long relationship with it. These 20 renowned plants have stood the test of time because they consistently support the body's ability to heal, soothe, and restore balance. While they should be used with knowledge and care, they remind us that nature remains one of our most accessible and trusted sources of wellness. By respecting these plants and understanding their proper use, we reconnect with a tradition of healing that spans cultures, centuries, and generations. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.